Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about BullX trading fees. So as you can see right here, we are in BullX, and if you want to discuss fees, of course this is a topic that will vary from trade to trade because not all the fees are going to be the same. There's going to be bribing fees, there's going to be exit and enter fees for your trade. As you can see right here, we are in BullX and we are in the new pairs. So let's just make an example let's just go ahead and look for our pump vision right here, and then let's see those that are graduated so we can make an example. For example, let's just go with something like Atlantis, something like this. So let's just wait for it to load up, and right here you are in Atlantis. So in the top right corner is something you should actually note. So your enter fee for gas is here 0.001 Solana, and your actual trading fee is going to be 0.002591. So you have to take account when you're buying and entering or exiting your positions. There's going to be fees. So for example, we are set to buy right here at a market order of 5.5k at the limit of 5.22k, and you want to buy with 0.01 Solana. Here, you actually want to go check if there's advance here. I'm not sure if there's advance, but here, advanced sell, this advanced sell. So here, basically, when you're actually gonna place your order, it'll show the gas fee already instantly, which is pretty high. So here in your order settings, there we go, found it. So here, when you're buying a coin that's pretty volatile, you want your high priority fee so that you will avoid slippage. So slippage is your actual buying order, but you will have a worse price or a better price depending on the volatility of a coin. So here, you'd want to set it to pretty high if you want it to actually just push through and instantly make a trade. But as you can see right here, there's barely any volatility. So I'll set my priority into 0.01, making it a very, 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 very easy trade because there is no volatility. As you can see, it's not even moving in the 1 second chart already. Here in your slippage limit, you want to place it only like 0.02 because you can see right here, it's barely even moving. So here, if you want MEV protection, you can also do so. But if you want enable, there's going to be a fee for that, of course. And of course, you also have your bribing fee. What is a bribing fee? A bribing fee basically is like you giving more money so that your order will be pushed instantly and faster. So it's like your gas fee, but gas fee is the one for calculating it into the blockchain. And there you go. You can set it to 0.01 only, or at least even lower. So this depends on you. So you can try out your settings and different settings for different coins, of course. And that goes same with your sell settings. So you can apply the same thing depending on the coin right here. And it's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is a guide on your BullX trading fees. This applies to other types of trading bots out there like Trojan for Solana and many much more, Photon and such. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.